Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make fresh blackberry crumble. I went out this morning and picked the blackberries myself, so it's like really super fresh. So stay tuned to see how I make it. So here are my blackberries, literally freshly picked like 5 minutes ago. Look at my fingers from like picking them off the tree. But yeah, here we are. They look real juicy and yummy, so I'm quite excited. I'm not gonna really use the ones that are still unique like that. Like you can see it's got a tiny bit of red on it. I'm gonna use the like really black berries. So I'm gonna wash them now. My oven on 180 degrees just so it's ready to cook the crumbles. We've got a little Mona here. She's doing a big stretch. She wants to be a part of the crumble making apparently. So I'm not actually making like a full size crumble, so I'm gonna kind of half the recipe just so that I don't have too much crumble. I'm just gonna make like a mini one. In flour and my weighing scales, I'm gonna do it in this little bowl just so I can kind of mix it together in there. So I'm gonna do 100 grams of plain flour. My vlogging skills are awful, I do apologise. So I'm gonna pour in my flour until we get to 100 grams. How much is that? 41. That's nowhere near what it needs to be. Ooh, what are we on now? 104. Okay, that. You know what? We're not precise here. That'll do. Now I've got the butter. I need like 42 grams of this, so let's see what that is. Ooh. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. 18, so let's get some more. 30, we need about 12 more grams. Imagine if I get it spot on. Ooh. Oh my god, I actually did. So proud of myself for that. So now you just need to rub together the butter and the flour until it makes like breadcrumby things, and then you add in your sugar. So I'm just gonna do this. This actually feels so soft on your hands because flour's really soft, isn't it? So it feels like really weird and soft. So I'm now adding in about 30 grams of sugar. That's like the kind of consistency that you get from doing your like breadcrumbs rubbing in. So I'm adding all this in until we get to about 30 grams. That'll do, 27 will do. So this is the little pot that I'm going to do it in. So I'm now going to pop all of my blackberries on to the bottom. I've just left these like in soak in warm water for quite a while so that they're like super nice and clean. And I'm just gonna like kind of fill the bottom of the tray with these blackberries. I think I'm gonna sprinkle a bit of sugar in there just because blackberries can be quite sour. So just to like counteract the sourness really. So now that I've done that, you can see the sugar that I've sprinkled in there. And now I'm just going to pour on top of my crumbly mixture. I'm just patting it down with my hands and then just pop in any crumble on any areas just so it's nice and packed into the jar. And then I'm actually going to sprinkle some brown sugar. That's not really a sprinkle, is it? Some brown sugar onto the top. This just helps the crumble to go like a nice goldeny brown colour. This is my cute little crumble. I'm actually really chuffed. I think it looks super duper cute. I'm going to put it on my tray and then I'm going to bake it in the oven for like 30 minutes. I'm going to check it after 30 minutes and see what I think. So in it goes. Now it's time to clean up my mess. So this is how it turned out. We had a little bit of explosion in this area. As you can tell, I've actually ate some already because I was way too excited to wait. So even though that video was a little different, I actually really enjoyed making it and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So please remember to like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.